Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Call of Duty Warzone register error in your PC. Right? So before that you may be wondering what is it actually. So there is a registration error that won't allow you to create an account inside of the launched game, and here I'm going to show you how to fix. First, what you have to do is you have to go to Chrome, then you have to search for Battle.net, then you have to download this for your PC. Right? So here as you can see, the Battle.net app you have to download and install for your PC, and there is download button which you want to download. Right? In my PC I have already done this. You can go for start download. In my PC I have already downloaded it, so there is no need of it. As you can see, right, it is already downloaded. Right? Once you're done with this, what you have to do is you have to go for installing the Battle.net for your PC. Once you're done with all those things, what you have to do is you have to go to this one, Activision register. You have to search this, then you have to go for sign up activation account. Right? So here what you have to do is you have to register an account here. Right? You have to click this, right, and you have to go for sign up, which means you have to give all your complete details. Right? You have to create an account, then you have to give all your details, such as everything you should be given to this, and you have to complete the sign up process. So once you're done with this one, what you have to do is now you have to open the Battle.net. Then you have to give the respective password to sign in, to log in. So once you're done with this, now as you can see, the play option is enabled where you can go for the game. Now you have to click on this and you can play the game hereafter. So that's all about how to fix, right, Call of Duty Warzone register error on your PC. Right? So that's all about it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification, and any kind of suggestions and doubts are most welcome in the comment section so that we can get back to you. This is Shahin signing off from Get Creative. Keep practice social distance. See you soon. Peace out.